So you've just finished working on an important document and now you need to export and download it in different formats. Well, lucky for you, I'm here to show you how it's done. First things first, let's talk about exporting to PDF. It's the most widely used format for sharing documents, and it ensures that your file looks the same on any device. Simply go to the File menu, click on Export, and select PDF. Easy peasy. But what if you need to send your document as a Word file? No worries. Just choose the Save As option and select Word document. This way, your recipient can easily edit and collaborate with you. Now, let's say you want to share your document as a PowerPoint presentation. Well, you're in luck. Just go to the File menu, click on Export, and choose PowerPoint. This way, you can showcase your work in a visually engaging format. But wait, there's more. If you're working with spreadsheets, you can export them as Excel files. Simply go to the File menu, click on Export, and select Excel. This way, you can easily analyze and manipulate your data. And there you have it. Exporting and downloading documents in different formats is as easy as pie. So go ahead, give it a try, and make your work more accessible and versatile. Happy exporting!